Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use one.com website builder step by step in order to create a professional website without any coding. So we will go from signing up to choosing your design to building your pages and customizing everything inside the editor. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try one.com for yourself, you are going to see the link of it in the description box below. It's an affiliate link and I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the home page of one.com. Now over here, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply click on the option of start a free trial. Now as soon as you do this, you will be landed on the sign up page where you will be shown that you can activate your 14 days free trial. The best part is that no credit card required for this. So you can either sign up here with the help of your email address or you can continue with the help of your Google account. So once you do this, you are going to see this type of one.com dashboard in front of you. So over here on the dashboard itself, it is going to show you the website that you have previously created, or all of the websites that you are going to create will be shown over here on this particular home page. Now here you can scroll down a bit and take a look at bunch of other information, like you can get started with the analytics. You can also get started with the SEO scan from here. Afterwards, we have the option of edit site. So when you click on the option of edit site, you are going to be redirected here inside the one.com website editor. So over here, as you can see, this is the layout that I've used for my website. So currently one.com is using AI in order to build your website. So it may ask you some of the questions. So you need to provide the information about your website, like what type of website you want to create. After that, you just have to give the answers to the question that it asks, like the name of your website, and then it is going to create this type of template for you. Now, if this template is good to you, you can click on the option of publish. You can also click on the option of preview in order to see how the website is going to look. But if you want to make changes into any one of these, you can definitely go ahead and do so with the help of this one.com editor. Now over here, the top section is called header. Then we have the middle section, which is basically contain the content sections. Then if you scroll down a bit, you are going to see the footer of the website. So over here, if you want to add any of the sections, you just have to hover over to that section, and then you just have to basically click on the plus icon in order to add the section. Now as soon as the section is added over here, it is going to be blank. So over here, you are going to see some of the options that you can basically click on, and that particular section will be added over here. So for example, let's say if I click on this particular section, it will be added over here inside my website, and now I can separately customize this particular section. Now similarly, if you want to edit any of the texts on the website, you just have to click on that, and afterwards you just have to simply start editing everything, and that's how it is going to basically look. Now in addition to the section and the text, you are going to see a bunch of different options with the help of which you can control the type of template here. So click on the option of image if you want to add any of the image. Now here it will show all of the images that you have uploaded previously. So when you click on the option of my image, you can drag and drop any of the images from your computer, and it will be shown over here on your website when you select them. Now let's take a look at some of the other options, like we have gallery. So when you click on the option of gallery, it is going to show you some of the types of galleries, like squared, rounded, circled, captions. Then we have image slides, which is simple and dots. So here you can select the image slide. Afterwards, you can select free from one.com, and here you are going to see a bunch of different images absolutely for free. So you can click on it, then you can click on the option of add to page, and that particular image will be added, and it is going to basically look something like this. So again, you can go to gallery, and here you are going to see the types of galleries. So let's say I want to make it as a rounded. So in the my images, I have all of the images that I've added. If I want to add more, I can either click on the option of free from one.com, and I can also find the images absolutely for free from Shutterstock as well. So after selecting the image, again click on the option of add to page in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and that image will also be added in the gallery or in the slideshow. Now here we have some of the other options like videos. If you want to add or embed any of the videos on your website, then we have the option of buttons. So if you want to edit the style of the buttons, or if you want to add any of the buttons, you can just simply select whether it is a primary button, secondary button, or alternate. Apart from it, you will see the option of sections, containers, contact, and as the name suggests, you can add all of these or any one of them on your website. So again, when you are done, you can click on the option of publish on the top right hand corner of the screen, and now it is going to show that you can't publish with the trial version of the website. Please upgrade to make the videos go live. So here when you click on the option of upgrade now, you will be landed on the pricing page. So over here you can get the domain from one.com. You will get .org domain for less than $10. Then the .com domain is also very cheap, which is only for $8. Then they have a bunch of other top level domains available. So if you want to purchase the domain from here, you can simply search for the name. After that, you can add it here. So currently it is going to cost you $167 if you want to use one.com website builder. So if you are interested, you can click on the option of continue, and then you can basically make the payment. So as soon as you do this, once you have upgraded and once you have the paid plan, you will be able to basically publish the websites that you created over here. Now if you just go back to the website builder studio, so here you can click on the option of analytics and click on the option of get started. Over here it will be shown the websites that you have basically published, and all of the analytics will be shown over here in the analytics section. With the help of one.com, you can also go with marketing, and here you can basically make changes into the home section, and you can include the pages, you can add any of the websites. So then you can publish it, and it will also show you the preview how the website is going to look. So basically marketing is for the SEO of your website. So that's how basically you can use one.com website builder step by step. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.